So I consider the use cases to be their individual problem. It is difficult to
Yeah.
take all of this data and streamline it and tailor it to individual needs.
Yeah.
180 hospitals across the country, for example. How do you tailor it? Because Chicago problems and New York problems and
Really
are
different.
different than Idaho problems.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I always say it in the conversation because not everybody I talk to is a techie, so we always talk business. And I said that every business has a problem. You just don't have my problem, right?
Right.
We all have problems. You just don't have my problems. But all of our problems has a thread, which is the data and how's that data is being processed and how the use case goes. So if you look at just these three stacks right here, forget the hardware, forget the digital twin, forget everything else. You could come up with any solutions you're looking for if you just knew what the data is and how do you process that data and how do you plug that into your use case. Now, let me give you the sweetest example of all of this because everybody can relate to this. Your Excel sheet is your data processing mechanism.
Mhm.
Literally, how do you process your data? If I ask you that today, you might say, I do it through an Excel sheet. And that's it. That's how you process the data because that Excel sheet fits into one of those use cases, right?
Right.
It's not an AI machine learning use cases. It's just a use case of your problem sets, right? Because you don't create an Excel sheet for a car dealership. You create an Excel sheet for elevators,
Right.
right? Car dealership has